is
Jongkok
made
dia, guys.
easier by robots.
Jongkok.
What about us who in the future will lose the chunks of steel with machine hearts and muscles? Will we be eliminated and die because of technology? Or will we become better and more prosperous? Will the poor continue to fall and the rich continue to soar? Who is wrong? Did the fruit of knowledge that our ancestors ate in the past become the trigger? Why was the snake given the opportunity to become the influence of sin? Or why did Adam want to join Eve's offer, since the past